Hello and welcome to Craft Catalog. Stop throwing away your walnut and oak offcuts because you are literally tossing money in the bin. Those tiny scraps that seem useless at the end of a project are actually one of the most valuable resources in your workshop. In this video, we are transforming those small pieces into 15 modern magnetic tool holders using simple neodymium magnets. These sleek, professional-looking organizers are not only practical, they are also perfect high-margin products for selling at craft fairs or online. If you've ever looked at your scrap pile and thought it had no real use, you're not alone. Most woodworkers focus on large builds and ignore the potential of smaller pieces. But here's the truth: small items often sell faster, cost less to produce, and deliver higher profit margins. They are easier for customers to buy, easier for you to make, and easier to scale as a business. Magnetic tool holders are especially powerful because they combine function with clean, modern design. They solve real problems, keeping tools organized, accessible, and visually appealing. And because they look minimal and professional, they fit perfectly into both home and workshop environments. Let's start with the first idea, the Minimalist wall strip holder. This is the foundation of magnetic storage. A simple rectangular strip of hardwood with embedded magnets creates a clean, floating effect on the wall. It's perfect for small tools, screwdrivers, or even kitchen knives. The key here is precision. Drilling evenly spaced holes and placing magnets flush ensures strong holding power and a professional finish. The second idea is the hidden magnet block. Instead of visible magnets, this design hides them inside the wood. From the outside, it looks like a solid piece, but it still holds metal tools securely. This creates a premium, high-end look that customers love. The third idea is the angled desk holder. By cutting the wood at a slight angle, you create a holder that sits perfectly on a desk. It's ideal for small tools, scissors, or even pens. The angled design improves visibility and accessibility. If you're finding this helpful, take a moment to subscribe to Craft Catalog. We focus on practical woodworking ideas that turn simple materials into profitable and useful products. The fourth idea is the modular magnetic cubes. These small cubes can be used individually or combined into larger systems. Each cube contains magnets and can hold small tools or attach to metal surfaces. Their flexibility makes them a unique and attractive product. The fifth idea is the magnetic peg holder. This combines pegboard style with magnetic functionality. It allows for both hanging and magnetic attachment, increasing versatility. The sixth idea is the strip with brass accents. Adding brass or metal accents elevates the design. This transforms a simple holder into a premium decor piece. The seventh idea is the corner-mounted holder. Designed to fit into corners, this maximizes unused space and keeps tools within reach. Installed inside drawers, this keeps tools organized without visible clutter. The eighth idea is the drawer insert magnetic strip. Installed inside drawers, this keeps tools organized without visible clutter. The ninth idea is the rotating magnetic holder. This adds motion and functionality. A rotating base allows easy access from all sides. The 10th idea is the magnetic wall tile system. Small tiles can be arranged in different layouts, creating a customizable wall system. The 11th idea is the slim pocket holder. Compact and portable, this design is perfect for small items and travel use. The 12th idea is the dual-sided holder. Magnets on both sides allow double storage in one piece. The 13th idea is the key and tool combo holder. Combining hooks and magnets makes it perfect for entryways. The 14th idea is the mini gift set holder. These are small, bundle-ready items ideal for selling. The 15th and final idea is the premium engraved holder. Adding engraving turns a simple product into a personalized, high-value item. What makes these 15 ideas so powerful is that they transform waste into value. Instead of discarding scrap wood, you're creating products that are functional, modern, and highly sellable. Another key advantage is efficiency. These items are small, quick to produce, and easy to batch. You can create multiple units in a short time, which increases your output without increasing your workload significantly. As you begin making these, you'll notice something important. Customers are drawn to clean, minimal designs that solve everyday problems. Magnetic holders do exactly that. They simplify organization while looking great. If you've made it this far, take a moment to like the video and tell us which of these designs you would try first. Your feedback helps us create more content that matches your goals. Another important factor is presentation. A smooth finish, clean edges, and consistent design make your products look professional. Even small improvements in finishing can significantly increase perceived value. These products also scale well. You can expand into sets, bundles, or custom orders. This flexibility makes them ideal for both beginners and growing businesses. By the end of this video, it should be clear that your scrap wood is not waste, it's opportunity. With the right ideas, you can turn even the smallest offcuts into products that are both useful and profitable. Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe to Craft Catalog for more practical woodworking ideas, profitable projects, and smart workshop solutions. Thank you for watching, and we hope this inspires you to turn your scrap pile into something valuable. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.